guys, it's me, Kitty, and today's look was inspired by this Lizzo look right here. First, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 330. Next, I'm going in with this beautiful palette in the color Mojito. It's a nice lime green color. Random coffee break, y'all. Now I'm going to be packing this color on very heavily. I want to make sure that I get a nice color payoff, so I'm going to be packing it on pretty heavy. Y'all see what I mean when I said I went in heavily? Like, I kept dipping this brush into that freaking eyeshadow until I got a good payoff. And it worked, because it looks pretty good. Next, I went in with the Glam Vice Loose Glitter in the color Majestic as Fuck. I know it's not a color, but that's the type of glitter. It's Majestic AF. Now I'm going in with some cosmetic glue to put on the stars. I decided to use the stars only from this glitter, and I think it came out really good. I'm happy with the result. Okay, so I didn't even finish the look, but I decided to have like a little mini photo shoot. I mean, it was really cute already, even without the eyelashes or the eyeliner. It's still a really good look, and I'm very happy with it. I'm very excited about it. Alright guys, we're almost done with this look. So next I'm going in with this Ulta Beauty Micro Flint Tip Liner in the color Black. I love this liner. It's super dark. I love the sharp lines it gives me. It's just, if you get a chance, just go get you one from Ulta, okay? Finally, the piece of resistance, the lashes. So it took me a minute to finally get these lashes on, and I'll tell you why. It's because I didn't cut them to length correctly. Like, I cut them, but I didn't cut them enough. So I have a little bit over just hanging like on my eyelash, and it's so freaking annoying. And here we are with the finished look. I love it so much. It is so me, and I can't express how close it looks to the original look. And like I said, I'm just so happy that I have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate the views always. I've seen we have new people watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.